Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to view order history in Flipkart. First of all, open your Flipkart app. Here I have opened my Flipkart account app, and here you got to go to this button, account. Okay, then click on orders. So list of orders will be shown here, and here itself you can track what are all the items that you have ordered, cancelled, what you have refunded, what you have returned. Okay, how much products you have got refunded. Those details will be shown here. Okay, see, these are all the list of orders that I have made using Flipkart account. Okay, so if you would like to see particular one, what you have to do, click on that. Okay, see here, I am going to click on this. It is already delivered, and if you would like to download invoice, yes, you can do it. Okay, you can see the delivery details, etc. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.